Influence of formal and informal groups on health and sickness. Sickness due to communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases, and medical conditions. It is determined by group factors. Health, physical health, mental health, and social health or well-being. Influenced by groups in the society. Influence of formal and informal groups to control diseases in society. The groups have been determined health status of people in the society by means of prevention of diseases, diagnosis and causes of disease, control the diseases, management of disease, mainly chronic disease management, and case finding, program formulation, self-awareness regarding diseases and their control. Groups in hospital. Formal and informal groups in hospital. Particular nursing unit is informal group, example ICCU. Hospital management group is formal group. Look at this picture, flow chart, BD Board of Directors, MD Managing Director or Medical Director, AD Administrative Department, MS Medical Superintendent, NS Nursing Superintendent, Medical Superintendent control medical departments including medical, surgical and pediatrics. NS control the nursing section including maternal health nursing, child health nursing, medical surgical nursing, mental health nursing and community health nursing. Each section have been divided into various super specialties. Example, child health nursing divided into neonatal care and pediatric surgery. Particular unit of hospital is a informal group. It has informal communications. The healthcare professionals informally share their informations and knowledge regarding the diseases and patient. Management group is a formal group. It has formal group characters, mainly formal relationship. Influence of informal groups to better healthcare delivery. Second, to effective management. Third, to good communication. Fourth, to high quality patient care. Fifth, to successful treatment. Sixth, to share knowledge, etc. Influence of formal groups. Planning and organizing, directing and coordinating, reporting and controlling. Thank you. Have a nice day.